Audiovisual learning resources or AVLRs are short, high quality, and accurate audiovisual aids to help students understand most important concepts, critical common mistakes, and how to avoid them, and stepwise solutions of HOTS problems. To get the best out of AVLRs, please follow these steps. Ensure that your phone has an active internet connection and auto-rotate is enabled on your phone. Scan the QR code for the AVLR through the phone camera or Google Lens. You will be taken directly to the AVLR link as shown. You may need to click on a pop-up link. The AVLR should start automatically. However, if it does not start, please give it a few seconds to start. If it still does not start, please press the play button. The AVLR should start now. Finally, rotate the phone to view the AVLR in landscape mode. Watch, learn, and understand the important concepts, common mistakes, and how to avoid them, and stepwise solutions to HOTS problems. In case you do not understand a specific point in the AVLR, you can always pause and rewind the AVLR. We encourage you to watch the AVLRs multiple times. The AVLRs are designed to deepen your understanding of mathematics.